Look, the most dangerous addiction is not drugs. It's feeling motivated while doing absolutely nothing because fake progress feels good. Sometimes better than real work. And here's the problem. Millions of people feel inspired every single week, but their life stays exactly the same. Same habits, same excuses, same problems. Why? Because motivation can trick your brain. It gives you the feeling of growth without any real growth at all. And once you see this trap, you'll never look at motivation the same way again. Point 1, your brain rewards you too early. See? Your brain loves reward, even fake reward. The moment you hear powerful words, music, success speeches, your brain gives you energy. You feel ready, focused, strong, but nothing actually happened. No money earned, no skill learned, no work done. That's why some people feel proud before they even begin, and the next trap is even worse. Point 2 emotion looks like action. Now listen carefully. Feeling ready is not the same as taking action. Feeling excited is not discipline. Feeling inspired is not progress. But people confuse these things every day. They feel a strong emotion and mistake it for movement. That's why many people feel unstoppable at night, then weak again in the morning, because emotion is cheap. Real action costs pain, and most people never realize this. Point 3, motivation becomes escape. Here's where it gets dangerous. Some people don't use motivation to grow, they use it to escape. Life feels hard. Watch a speech, feeling lost. Play a podcast, feeling guilty. Listen to another success clip. For a little while, the pain disappears, but the problem stays. Nothing changes. So instead of solving life, they keep soothing themselves. That trap can steal years. Point 4, dreams replace work. Motivation also creates fantasy. You start imagining a new version of yourself. Rich, focused, respected, disciplined, and honestly, the mind enjoys fantasy. Sometimes more than reality. So people keep imagining success. Instead of building it, they plan delay. Wait for the perfect time. And while they wait, time keeps moving. Years pass quietly. Potential dies silently. But the next truth hurts even more. Point 5. Real progress feels boring. Nobody talks about this enough. Real progress is boring. It's waking up early, working when tired, practicing again, saving slowly, repeating small habits again and again and again. No dramatic music, no powerful speech, no emotional high, just consistency. That's why average people chase motivation, while strong people chase routine, and routine wins almost every time. Point 6. Motivation hides the truth. Now, here's the deeper truth. Sometimes motivation protects people from honesty, because honesty says, you waste time. You avoid hard things. You quit too early. You fear discomfort. But motivation says, you got this. Which one feels better? Motivation. Of course it does. That's why many people choose inspiration over truth, and they stay stuck for years. Now here, the hardest part. Point 7. Use motivation the right way. Motivation is not evil. It's just dangerous when used the wrong way. Use it like fire. Use it to start. Then move. After that, trust systems, trust routine, trust discipline, because motivation disappears when stress arrives. Discipline doesn't. motivation leaves when life gets hard. Disciplined keeps walking. So remember this. Motivation feels like progress because it gives emotion without evidence. Real progress gives evidence. Without emotion, one feels good today. The other changes your future. So ask yourself honestly, do you want the feeling of change? Or do you want change itself? Because many people spend their whole life chasing one and never reach the other.